Hi guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies, and today we have been working on a 2019 Audi Q2. So this car was originally sold by a main dealer that was local to us. Customer very happy with it and the service from them. The only thing that they wished that they'd been able to spec at the time was the electric tailgate. Now they struggle with the tailgate itself because it is very heavy to be able to pull it down, and also when it's wet it's a bit slippy and all this sort of stuff. So a lot of people don't realise that you can retrofit the genuine Audi Q2 or the genuine Audi electric tailgate. So it's not the cheapest system in the world. They are quite pricey based on what we're doing, how we do it. I mean, this car's been in all day for this sort of thing. And with the help of Richard, I'm going to just quickly show you how it works. So this next function, or the first thing that I'm going to show you, is the remote opening through the key fob. Now, it's all to do with the software on the vehicle that was preloaded onto it from factory as to whether the remote functionality will work and to what degree. So you'll either get nothing at all, you'll get just open, or you'll get open and close. Now, on this particular vehicle, it just allows you to open it from the key fob, but the original controls in the tailgate and the new button that I'll show you just work as per normal. So what we do, push and hold, tailgate automatically opens up. Now on the Q2, if you've watched our VW video, which is on T-Rock from memory, you get the two electric tailgate struts, but both of these are actually powered. On the VW one, it was only one side that was powered, so a master and a slave, but they're both masters. So Richard has had to install the new brackets, the new struts, all wiring that has to go into the tailgate, so new holes cutting and prepping and all that sort of business. We've got a new button that's been installed that allows you to push it and open, and Richard will show it in a second. We've got a new latch and a new soft close system. So what we'll do is Richard will just pop the button, and as it comes down you should see and hear the soft close. So there you go. So it's just pulled it in and has locked it in tight, and Richard's just going to quickly push the handle and it pops up again. So this started out live this morning with just the normal gas struts, a really heavy tailgate, and this is really going to help this particular customer to be able to reach up, push the button to close it, and also open it and make things a lot easier for them. Now on this particular vehicle and some of the others, you can have an upgrade. It's contrary to the last video, but it's now made available as an extra retrofit, being able to fit a door switch. It's not included as standard. It is an optional extra, so you'll need to message us, and when we do the compatibility checking to see if your car is A, compatible, and B, it's going to work. If you really do need the remote open and close feature from the fob, we can introduce another module into the mix. Does bump up the price again, unfortunately, because it is a new aftermarket module that interfaces with the remote system that allows it to close as well as open. So if you've got an Audi, not necessarily Q2, but you know from factory it can have the electric tailgate, then get in touch with us and we will do the compatibility checking, ask for some pictures, make sure it's all working, or it can work as it should do from factory, and we'll be able to help you out. So as always, thanks for watching. If you've got any ideas for any videos you want us to do or try or whatever, then just make sure you hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and then you get notified when we do a new video. And as always, thanks for watching.